Hi, this is Shelley Kraft, and we're coming to you live on SNNLive. We're at the Southeastern Medical Device Association 2013 conference at the Georgia Tech Global Learning Center in Atlanta, Georgia. I am here with Randy Calvert of Infinity Plastics Group. It's a private company. Randy, welcome to SNNLive.
Thank you, Shelley, and thank you for having me.
So tell our audience, what does Infinity Plastics do, and why would you be at a medical device conference?
Well, we're a custom injection molder, and we supply product, our parts, for the OEMs in the medical device industry.
So OEM in this case means original equipment manufacturer.
Exactly.
And they need something to house their technology in.
That's
Usually right. It's plastic.
That's correct.
No brainer, right?
That's correct.
Okay. So I'm going to ask you a question. What's the most interesting device you've built a plastic container for?
Boy, we've built a number of containers. I mean, we're doing some diagnostic meters for cholesterol monitoring. Mm-hmm. We're doing some neurological surgical instruments that require assembly and sterilization in a clean room environment. So
is plastic growing in the industry? Or, there's all the tubes, so tell me the various different kinds of products.
Well, I think plastics is growing, and the reason is because there is so much more design freedom versus glass and metal, which if you go back 30 years, that's where the medical industry was focused. And the plastics has been able to give them much more design freedom and allowed them to do things that they couldn't do 20, 30 years ago.
And the advent of the polymer has had somewhat of an effect on the plastics industry?
There's multiple polymers, and we virtually run every polymer that the medical plastics industry requires. So we've got a lot of flexibility in terms of what we can do for our customers.
So when a company comes to you, have they already designed their container, or do you provide them some engineering equivalent to some design work?
We can work at different levels. We can work at the early stage. We don't have design ownership, but what we do is we offer design for manufacturability so that the customer can receive the optimum part whenever it comes out of our plant. We focus on tolerancing. We focus on how fast the product can run to make it more efficient.
So you're probably ISO 9000 or above. You're UL, because you've been around, how long?
31 years.
31 years in the plastics business?
Right.
What, were you the first?
No.
I'm just kidding.
We are ISO 13485 registered, which is a medical quality systems registration. We're 9001. We're 14001, which is an environmental standard. So we have all of the necessary requirements to support a medical customer.
I think that as you're going to see some of these new technologies like that we're seeing at a conference like this, I think there's more plastic going in the body as well. Am I correct?
That's correct, yeah. As a matter of fact, I just recently saw a recall of all the metal knee replacement parts because of some, I think, metal particles being shaved off during the use of these components.
So that opens up opportunity for you.
Right.
Okay, let's give the website.
It is www.infinity-mai.com.
Ladies and gentlemen, Randy Calvert from Infinity Plastics Group. It's a private company. We're at the Southeastern Medical Device Association 2013. We are at Georgia Tech Global Learning Center in Atlanta, Georgia. I'm Shelley Kraft. This is SNNLive. Let me thank you for coming on.
Thank you very much, Shelley.
Quite welcome.